Hello grade 10, Batang Mandunong, home learning partners, and teachers. I am Teacher Elvin from Josefa Bella Memorial School and TSB. Today, we will be discussing about the relationships of arcs and center angles of a circle. Arcs and central angle. Let's try to identify which circle has a central angle and which circle does not have a central angle. Very good. The first circle has a central angle because the vertex is located at the center of a circle, while the angle on the second circle is not a central angle because the vertex, which is point B, is not located on the center of the circle. A central angle of a circle is an angle formed by two rays whose vertex is the center of a circle. Each ray intersects the circle at a point, dividing it into arcs. In the figure below, angle AQB is a central angle. Each sides divide circle A into arcs. One arc is the curve containing points B and C. The other arc is the curve containing points A, C, and B. Degree measure of an arc. Number 1. The degree measure of minor arc is the measure of the central angle which intercepts the arc. Like for example, angle AQB is a central angle. It intercepts circle Q at point A and B. The measure of arc AB is equal to the measure of angle AQB. If the measure of angle AQB equal to 60 degrees, the measure of angle AB is also equal to 60 degrees. Number 2. The degree measure of a major arc is equal to 360 degrees minus the measure of the minor arc with the same endpoint. Like for example, if the measure of angle AB is equal to 60 degrees, then the measure of major arc ACB is equal to 360 degrees minus the measure of arc AB. That is, the measure of major arc ACB is equal to 360 degrees minus 60 degrees. That's why we have the measure of major arc ACB is equal to 360 degrees. Number 3. The degree measure of a semicircle is 180 degrees. Now, let's proceed to another example. In the diagram below, if the measure of angle XYZ is equal to 68 degrees, now find the measure of the following: A. Minor arc, B. Major arc. Alright, let's find out the solution and answer in letter A. Measure of minor arc. So remember, the measure of central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. So the intercepted arc of angle XYZ is arc XZ, which is a minor arc. If the measure of angle XYZ is equal to 68 degrees, then the measure of arc XZ is equal to 68 degrees. Let's move on to letter B, the measure of major arc. To solve for the measure of major arc, we will subtract 68 degrees by 360 degrees because the measure of a circle is equal to 360 degrees. To get the measure of remaining part of the arc of a circle, we will subtract it by 68 degrees to get the measure of the major arc. So we have major arc is equal to 360 degrees subtracted by the minor arc XZ. So we have major arc is equal to 360 degrees minus 68 degrees is equal to 292 degrees. Now, let's try another example. Angle AFD is equal to 98 degrees. Line segment BD is a diameter. Find the measure of the following. Number 1, measure of arc AD. Number 2, measure of arc ACD, which is the major arc. Number 3, measure of arc AB. Let's answer. Number 1, the measure of the central angle AFD is equal